What's going on, guys? Today you guys are watching a highlight reel of our racing season. I'm making this video because I kind of have an announcement to make too on top of that. I'm not going to be here this summer because this summer I'm actually joining the Airforce Reserves. I've actually been in the process of doing this for the past couple months. Today is May 16th. I'm leaving to boot camp tomorrow, May 17th. So yeah, I'll be in Texas for the next couple months until maybe roughly October. So yeah, I'm not gonna be here for basically the whole summer. So that's why I'm making this kind of highlight reel, going over the best, the crazy, the chaotic moments of this racing season. So yeah, it's gonna be a blast. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Today we are going over the best and worst moments of the 2021-2022 racing season. Let's get it. So right off the bat, we're going to start with this particular start right here on the 250R. The reason why I like it so much is, as you guys are about to see, I got it started in one kick. I was very proud of that kick. Very proud. It was flawless. And judging by this video, you know, it seems like I had a good race on the 250R, but if you guys have seen my video about this on why you shouldn't race a 1986 bike in 2022, you will know that that is not the case. So yeah, that's how I feel about that. But that kick in that start was as good as it was gonna get for my particular 250R. Next up on the list, for those of you guys who have been keeping up on my videos and stuff, you guys will know that we've been crashing all the time. At almost every single race there's a crash or something, but there's one crash that takes it all, and it is this one right here on the KFX700. This crash was so bad, I ended up bending the rim, bending the frame, and messing up the whole left A-arm. So bad that the tire wouldn't even spin anymore. So not only that did the tire go flat, it wasn't able to spin, and it was absolutely horrible trying to get it out of these woods. It kept dragging me into the bushes like that. So you know, I kept trying. At first I didn't really realize anything was bad because the crash was kind of hard, but I didn't think it was too bad. And right here I'm still trying to get back on the trail, and then I started to realize that it was messing up. So yeah, right about here I was like, all right, I'm done. It ain't moving, tire's flat, it's stuck, wheels bent. Yeah, I'm done. This takeoff right here was actually kind of surprising. So as you can see, Garrett's right there on his 250X. This is, I believe, his first or second race, and off the line he got like about right there, you can see 5th. And as you can see, everybody overshot the turn, and he ended up snagging the second place, almost the first place spot, which that was pretty cool to see, you know. So for his first or second race, he ended up doing that, so that was pretty cool. Alright, and for this next clip, I'm just gonna let the video play just so you guys can see it. So yeah, that launch was crazy. You know, I'd never seen anything like that before. It was just so dusty. Everybody was coming full blast down that hill. You know, it was just bound to happen. See, right about here, dust was flying everywhere. You couldn't see even 2 inches in front of your face. So right here, I'm not even surprised this crash happened. It was just so much going on. Yeah, right there, that's what caused it all, and then bang. Just like a chain reaction right there. So yeah, that was crazy for sure. This moment right here will just always be funny to me. I don't know what it is. It's like they're both stuck. The race just started like 2 minutes ago, and it's just so confusing because right here Sam was stuck. You know, they could have easily both pushed Sam's bike back and get it running. But Garrett over here, he had a stick stuck somewhere up somewhere his folding wheel, and they had to get that out. Then once they do that, Garrett takes off, you know, leaving Sam by himself. Yeah, he's still trying to win the race and stuff. Sam's over here still trying to push his four-wheeler, completely forgetting he has reverse, I guess. So yeah, there you go. He puts his kill switch back on and all that. I don't know. He ends up getting it right here, but it's just a very funny clip to me. I just think it's hilarious. So, and so right here, Sam ended up catching up to Garrett, and they're over here kind of battling a little bit. You know, Garrett's got the lead right here. Sam's catching up, making some major progress right here. And right about here, he gets that speed and just gets going. There he is. This was Sam's and Garrett's first race, so kind of a memorable start if you ask me. So for the next clip, I want to talk about this jump right here. This jump was sick as fuck. You know, it's not every race you get a little kind of almost motocross jumps, you know. So I got a badass photo right there. Credit to Photo Man. He did an awesome job. So yeah, I just wanted to say that was an awesome jump for sure. And also during the race, the same race, there's like these sections where like a bunch of pine trees, and they're all growing kind of wavy. You know, it's weird because like I haven't heard anybody talking about it, and I just thought it was the weirdest thing. So like if anybody knows why they're growing like that, let me know, because it's just like, it's so weird. You know, I've never seen trees do that, so I just thought that was kind of weird. Alright guys, well that is the end of my recap video for the 2021-2022 racing season. And as I said many times before, I've had an absolute blast coming out and racing this year. It's my first time racing since way back in my Pee-wee days. I used to race back in 2009 as in the Pee-wee quads. So coming back out here, it's been an absolute blast. If you guys want to check out the full races, I'm going to leave a link down below to a playlist with all the races that we've done this season. So you guys can go check them out, because obviously we couldn't cover everything in this short little video. So yeah, it's definitely worth a watch. Alright guys, so like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm leaving tomorrow to boot camp for the Airforce Reserves. So I'm not going to be here this summer, but it's okay. I got some, mostly some shorts scheduled to be released over the next couple weeks while I'm gone. So you guys will still be getting content on the channel. But yeah, so it's going to be kind of interesting, you know. I've never done shit like this before, so we're going to see what happens. But yeah, you guys know how we do it. So I really do want to say thank you guys. Thank you all who subscribe and comment and like all my videos. I really do appreciate it. You know, I love interacting with you guys, you know. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the next racing season. I think it starts in October. I'm probably gonna be missing, I think, the first 2 races of the season, but you know, my dad and my brothers Max and Sam are gonna be racing, so yeah, hopefully we'll do good next season. I'm looking to come back stronger and better than ever, so hey, we'll see what happens. Well, alright guys, I guess that's it for me. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all next time.